Hi guys, welcome to P for Pubg channel. In this video I am going to show you how to properly install Phoenix OS in your laptop or system, as I have a Windows 10 PC. So you will see the full tutorial. Please watch the full video. Just open Chrome browser. Now go to Phoenix OS website. Phoenix OS. Phoenix OS. Now go to Phoenix OS settings. As I have 64-bit operating system, so I will install the x64exe. So you have to make sure that your Windows is must install on 64-bit. How to check the 64-bit? Okay, go to properties. Here you can check the system type 64-bit operating system cross 64 base processor. So the Phoenix is available only for 64-bit. You must install, otherwise it will create a problem. Now start. Now click on Mega. Download. Click on allow. Hey bro, if you are watching this video, thank you for watching, and please subscribe for my new videos. And you have any query about the Phoenix OS installation, any problem here, please comment and I will reply. Let's see, it will get 3 to 4 minutes. I guess one more information I'm going to tell you. As you can see, it's also a cross 86 and cross 64exe. So if you, it also work with 32-bit PC. As sorry for in my previous I said it only works for 64, but it also works with 32-bit as it shows cross 86. So it's always decide which version you have. So you have to just download this exe installer. Okay, as you know, we are downloaded this. The Phoenix OS installer is downloaded. Now it's downloaded, so now it's time to install this. Install. Click on install. Now click on install. Now you have to select on where your windows are installed. So my windows are installed on F, so I am using F for installing the Phoenix OS. Please make sure that you will install the Phoenix OS on your SSD where the windows are installed. Hi, now as you can, this message will live. Phoenix OS has been successfully installed for iPhone. Okay. As you can see, as many users are facing restart problem, first you have to disable the Wi-Fi. As I don't have Wi-Fi card in my laptop, but if you have, you can click on this. You will see that Wi-Fi and then disable it. If you don't see here, go to your networks. Open network and sharing. I don't have Wi-Fi, but you will find your Wi-Fi from there and you can close it. I am using Ethernet connection to for connectivity to internet. Okay, you have to close your Wi-Fi from Windows before restarting to OS. So let's start. Now we will record from my smartphone as the computer is going to restart. Now we are setting up the Phoenix OS. Now change our language to English as we don't know Chinese. Click on accept. Now this is the important step. We have to make sure that you are using internet with Ethernet cable, not with Wi-Fi, because Wi-Fi drivers are not fully supported with kernel memory of Phoenix OS. So make sure you are using Ethernet for accessing internet. Otherwise, Phoenix OS keep on restarting on boot, and you will complain in comment boxes. Comment boxes. Sorry, my poor English. As I am Indian, I know better Hindi, but for global use of my video, I am speaking English. So please make sure to understand from video, not from my words. So as you can see, Phoenix OS VIP app. The what I can say about this is the most hated app all from all the Phoenix OS users. So if you want to remove app, this app, and want to have a ad free experience in Phoenix OS, you have to watch my another video. So as we have successfully installed the Phoenix OS in our system, and after closing the app, you can enjoy and download and install all the apps or P4 PUBG and enjoy your Phoenix OS VIP app. In this way, we can install the successfully Phoenix OS in our system. Thank you for watching our video. Please go and subscribe my channel P4 PUBG. Have a nice day.